welcome back. And this video is actually a train video. So it's good to see everybody again. Hopefully you enjoy watching a train video, which has lately been something out of the ordinary. So today I'm finally going to go over the Athearn white letter 65-foot gondola, which I looked at the tag on here, says they called me November 24th. So it's been a long time, but I actually am doing another project in the other room at the moment. So let's get to unboxing this and comparing it to some pictures that Mike sent me, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here it is. All the good stuff. Even has, even looks like old school lettering. So we'll see. Even talks about the drop on the end of the gondola. So it's actually packaged pretty good. Wow, look at that. They go up and down either end. So this is actually the unit that Mike sent Athearn the pictures of. Whether they used them or not, no idea. But it's got separately applied grab irons. You can see I'm going to have to change the trucks for current mow service. So you can see here the door is up and down. It actually doesn't look too bad. All the rivet detail on the inside, and of course there's, nothing on the bottom, but you can't see it on these anyway. So the only thing is we'll have to change from this model is the actual one has a ratchet brake instead of a wheel. But there again, we'll get to that in the pictures. But let's see if it has a build date. 43 of 46 or 44. So maybe it's pretty close. So here's a shot of my screen, and these are kind of big on here, so they might be a little blurry, but we'll do the best I can. So you'll notice between the pictures, so you can see this is pretty recent because we have the roller bearing trucks. So it just depends on what you're gonna model. So you can see it's 138, 46, which is what the model is. A little graffiti on here, and you can see the stripes. So here's another picture. And then you can see on the end here, it's kind of dark, but there's some ties on the end of this one where the door was. The other side has the door. We'll see that in the other pictures. And these are quite a bit darker, but you can still see something interesting here. You can see the other side, the stripes are vertical. This side, the stripes are horizontal. So that's kind of a half-assed attempt or something on this, but makes it interesting nonetheless. Then you can see right here, barely, is the ratchet brake. So I'll have to switch that over too. I'm sure back in the day it had the wheel brake. Then you can see on this side the end is up and it's still the metal one. So there's a little different angle. Still kind of dark. There's no picture. Mike is the only one that has sent me anything, or I've been able to find. So I did notice something here. So on the end of the brake, oh, that's really dark. Yeah, we'll go over that with the other light on. But you can see the lube plate details are here. And on the model that Athearn did, they're right here. So apparently they didn't take Mike's pictures into account. Typical Athearn crap. So then, here's the other end. And maybe this, you can see it a little bit better. Turn the camera here. So you can see the ties here and the end where it's open. So I don't know if it was damaged and they just put the ties there, or if there is a reason for that. But you can see, you know, maybe you can't in the picture, but you can see here where stuff's all bent up and smashed. So I'm just kind of wondering if that's why they put that there. But with that bending down like that, it'll be easy to either take out or cut that out and then put some weathered ties in there, make it kind of unique detail here. And then this picture, oh, same one. So this one's kind of tilted, which this is part of the handbrake assembly for the current MO service unit. I'm not sure when they switched it, but if you're modeling present day, we would be putting that on there. So it's kind of a good shot of what that one looks like, so you can get the correct one on the model. Kind of a short, quick video. Car's pretty plain Jane. I hope you liked the video. Kind of nice to be doing something goofing off a little bit with everything else going on. Takes a load off. So hopefully the pictures will work. I'm not sure if we'll share them somewhere or not. Gotta ask Mike if we can do that. Otherwise you just have to pause the video and watch it. Great to have my new light set up in here. That makes a huge difference. Lighting, otherwise it's so dark and just isn't the same. So yeah, we'll keep on going here, and kind of excited for the next video. If I can get something done with it this weekend, maybe I'll get 2 videos up in a week. That would be interesting. But thank you for watching, thanks for sticking around, and hope to see you in the next one.